Hi, welcome to a tutorial on OpenLM. Now we'll see how to install the OpenLM Broker. Now the OpenLM Broker sits on the license server and transmits information to the OpenLM core or OpenLM server. You'll need to install the OpenLM Broker on each of your license servers, and all of them will send information to the OpenLM server. So let's see how it's done. First of all, you'll need to go to the OpenLM website, click on Downloads, and you'll get to the Download section. Simply scroll down and choose the broker right here, Download. And once it finished downloading, simply transfer it to the license server itself, and then run it. Just click Next, Agree. Decide where you want to install it. Click Next, Next, and it will ask for permission once or twice. Then it will install the OpenLM Broker. So installation takes maybe 30 seconds, up to a minute. Once it's done, simply click Finish or Close, and that's it. The OpenLM Broker is installed. Now make sure you have OpenLM Server installed on a central place, on a central server, and continue with configuring your license servers. Thanks. Bye.